everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can transfer your Gmail contact to iCloud. Well, it is a very easy and simple process. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply just download all of the contacts from your Gmail, for which you can simply just open any kind of web browser. Right now, I'm going to use Safari, and on the search bar, you can simply just type contacts.google.com. So after typing that down, you can tap on the go button on your keyboard. So after doing that, here you can see we are on the official website of contacts of your Gmail, and currently here you can see I only have a single contact. So there can be multiple contacts in your account. So we'll have to now first of all select it. In order to select it, you have to long press on the contact like this. And after doing that, here you can see a checkbox appearing. You'll have to tap on it and select it. And in order to select it all, you can simply just tap on this arrow right here and then tap on all in order to select all of your contacts. And just like this, you can select all. Since I only have one contact, it is only selected one. So now here you will have to tap on this three dot bar that you can see right here. After doing that, here you can see there is the option of export. Tap on export just like this, and you'll have to now tap on vCard for Android or iOS. After selecting vCard for Android or iOS, you'll have to tap on export one more time. Now, after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully downloaded this contact on our iCloud. Now you can go back and simply just open your contacts. And in here now, you have to tap on all contacts. And after doing that, here you can tap on the search bar. Now you're going to search for the contact that you have just transferred from your Gmail to your iCloud. Here you can see this is the contact that I just transferred. You can tap on it, and just like this, here you can see we have now successfully transferred our Gmail contact to iCloud. And yeah, that is it. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.